Welcome to this meditation. Allow yourself to take a moment to settle into the space you are in. And allow this time to be dedicated to your mind and body. Let us begin. Find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a cushion, a chair, or even lie down if that is more comfortable for you. Make sure your spine is straight, your shoulders relaxed, and your hands resting gently on your lap or knees. Close your eyes if it feels comfortable, or soften your gaze. Take a few deep breaths in and out, letting each exhale release any tension you may be holding onto. Allow your body to relax with each breath, feeling more grounded with every inhale. Now, take a moment to set an intention for this meditation. It could be something simple, like finding peace or letting go of stress. Maybe you want to cultivate more awareness in your daily life, or simply to be present in the moment. Whatever your intention is, bring it to mind and allow it to settle into your heart. Remember, your intention is here to guide you through this practice. There is no rush, just a gentle reminder of what brought you into this moment. Notice if your body feels any tension, tightness, or discomfort. And gently adjust your posture if needed. You might want to roll your shoulders back, soften your gaze, or even adjust the way your feet or legs are positioned. Find a way to feel grounded yet open, so you can stay present and relaxed throughout the meditation. Now, bring your awareness to the present moment. And just observe, notice whatever is happening around you. Sounds, sensations, maybe the light coming through the window or the air on your skin. whatever you notice, simply observe it without labeling it as good or bad. Just let it be as it is. There is no right or wrong here, only awareness. Expand your awareness to everything around you. Feel the space you occupy. Notice the room, the subtle sounds, the movements of air, the way light shifts. You do not need to engage with these things. Just be aware, noticing them from a place of stillness, but always keeping your attention in the present moment. Now, gently bring your attention to your body. Feel your connection to the surface beneath you. Notice the weight of your body, how it is supported. Scan through your body from head to toe, noticing any sensations or areas of tension. Do not try to change anything. Just become aware of what it is. Is there any tightness in your neck? Any warmth or coolness in your hands or feet? What does your breath feel like in your body? Just observe it all, without trying to change a thing. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Simply observe it. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly as you breathe in and out. There is no need to control your breath. Just let it flow naturally. As you breathe in, notice the sensation of the air entering your nose, your chest, your abdomen. And as you breathe out, feel the gentle release of air, the letting go. There is no need to make your breath longer, deeper, or more controlled. Just let it be as it is. Now, gently shift your awareness to the very tip of your nose. As you breathe in, notice the cool sensation of air entering your nostrils. As you breathe out, notice the warmth of the air leaving your body. Pay attention to the subtle sensations in the tip of your nose. It is a small area, but full of detail. Simply observe the flow of the breath at the tip of your nose without changing it. With every exhale, let go of any effort. Let go of any need to control, to change, or to fix anything. Simply let go. Allow yourself to be fully in the present moment without striving for anything. The more you let go, the more space you create within yourself to just be. Now observe the space within you, the inner peace you are cultivating. Notice how your body feels more relaxed, your mind lighter as you rest in the present. There is no agenda now. Simply observe the peace, the stillness that surrounds you. If any thought arise, just acknowledge it and gently return your focus to the present moment, into this space of stillness and peace. No need to hold on to anything. Just let each thought float by like a cloud in the sky. Slowly begin to release your attention from the space around you, from your breath and from your body. Let everything fade into the background. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your body. Feel your feet, your hands, your legs. Wiggle your fingers and toes, becoming more aware of your physical presence in the room. Take a deep, intentional breath in. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Stretch your arms, roll your shoulders, and move in any way that feels good to bring energy back into your body. Feel refreshed and grounded. And when you are ready, take your intention with you as you go about the rest of your day, bringing peace and awareness with each step.